Hello everyone. Today I am going to present our project Interactive Business Risk Prediction using ML and Chatbot Assistance. The main goal of this project is to predict future business risks using AI and machine learning. Unlike traditional systems that only analyze financial data, our system also considers operational, environmental, behavioral, and sentiment-based factors provide smart and more accurate risk analysis. Here, this is the web user interface where user can log in using their user credential. After signing the user, they can see this kind of user interface. Here, they can enter their data to analyze risks of their business. And here, the previously data has been stored based on which the current month risk will be generated by the machine learning model. Here I am going to input the data. Here the model reads the sentiment score based on the text given by the user. Like if the user enters sales are improving rapidly, then the sentiment analysis model detects that it is positive sentiment. Mm, But anyhow, if like text heavy losses, then the system detect negative sentiment. Here I am going to enter the text like uh, the sales is good and analyze the risk. Analyzing risk, the gauge meter show 25.1, which falls in the green zone. This means the business currently has a low level of risk and is operating in a stable condition. Below that, the scorecard show risk level in different business areas, such as financial, operational, environmental, and behavioral factors. Here, the financial and behavioral risks are low. That means a positive sign for the company. Operational risk is slightly higher compared to others, meaning that area may need more attention and improvement. Overall, this dashboard gives a quick and easy summary of the business risk condition using the AI-based analysis, helping the organization to make smart and safe decisions. Here, the business DNA fingerprint of a company. The idea behind how the human DNA describes the nature of a person. Here, the system analyzes the different business factors and create a unique DNA profile of the business using the AI and machine learning. In this result, the detected DNA type is behavioral driven and a stable business. That means the company or the business is currently stable and its growth is mainly influenced by customer behavior, management, decision, and business activities rather than certain risks. The message no major DNA mutation detected means the system did not find any critical abnormal change or dangerous business pattern at that moment. So according to the prediction model, the business is operating in a balanced and safe condition. Below here we can see the radar chart which visually represent the performance of the business in the five important areas like financial, show the financial strength and economic condition of the business. Operational represents the internal operation. Then the environmental measures the environmental or external impact factor. Behavioral represents the customer behavior and the adaptability. Shows the how well the business can adjust to market change the future uncertainty. The shaded blue area is the radar graph help us to quickly understand the strength and the weakness of the company. Larger area indicate the strong performance in that company. Overall, the visualization helps business owner to analyze the risk of their business And this portion, trend analysis of business risk analysis, show the graph using the risk score and month. Here the different kind of financial risks, operational risks, environmental risks, and behavioral risks are represented using the different color to show their natures using the past few months of the business data. Then this graph DNA evolution over time of the business show how the overall business trend is and stability change month by month based on the AI analysis. On the x-axis, we have the month from February to July, and in y-axis we have the DNA strength. The blue line shows the trend of business performance over time. At the beginning, in February, the DNA strength is at moderate level, which means the business is stable but still growing gradually. In March to April, there is a small decline, which means the may indicate minor operational challenges, market fluctuation, or temporary risk. After April, we can see a sharp increase in the May, where the Danish strength reaches one of its highest point. This indicates that the business improved significantly during that period, possibly due to better financial performance, improved customer behavior, etc. In June, the score drops slightly, but still remains at strong and healthy level. This graph is useful for the business owner to analyze track how the company evolves over time instead of only viewing the current data. This graph represents the future risk forecast of the business. The blue line shows the past risk trend from February to June, where we can see that overall business risks gradually decrease over time. Then the dotted vertical line separates past data from the future prediction. According to the prediction, the risk level is expected to decrease further in future. The shaded area show the confidence range of the prediction, mean the expected variation in forecast value. Overall, this result indicates that the business is moving toward more stable and lower risk condition, which is also confirmed that the forecast insights shown in this graph. Our model also use the chatbot assistance when any user cannot understand this kind of graph of anything, then they can use help of the chatbot. Here, these are the suggested question which they can ask. Rather than that, they can ask anything like uh, what is my current business risk. This shows the current business risk like 25.12, and this also available in the regional language only, now only in Bengali. When I turn this, it translates to Bengali. It translated to Bengali. Uh, If I use any suggested question like improve business, it also gives this kind of suggestion to improve the business and lower the risk. It also has the mic talk facility by which we can use direct by speaking the question. Other than that, if we enter any kind of question other than business, it will give that this question is not related to the business. Here also we can download the PDF file of this business. Here shows the risk performance report, risk summary, profit summary, risk ranking, and the business strength score. And here also the PDF which shows the chat history report. which question has been asked to the AI, and this is the report of the full data. Other than that, we are currently working on to make more regional language to for this project, and this is our main motto to find and grow to find the problems and helps to the small businesses to grow like that. That's it. Thank you.